Hey guys, welcome to Mount Horeb, the quick charge location here. This is the closest one to my house. I didn't want to drive all the way to Pewaukee this weekend too. So I came here to tape a short encouragement for you to come and join us next week at the open house at the Pewaukee Kwik Charge from noon to 2 on Sunday, April 26th. Charge on, Wisconsin! Charging here at Kwik Charge, as I do often when I'm recording videos here. But one thing that I wanted to talk about especially was community, an EV community, and what we're trying to do with an open house at a charger. You know, it's all about testing it out and making people comfortable with their experiences, because talked to a lot of people actually that were here while I was charging about range anxiety and driving back to Iowa from Mount Horeb, and so it's real and people have actual questions. The best people to get your answers from are probably the people that do it all the time. So that's why something like an open house is important and can be beneficial. Even if you don't drive an EV right now, you can come out and get questions answered. You have questions about, hey, how does the battery last in the winter on the Chevy Equinox from 2024? I'm looking at one for sale right now. Well, I can give you exact data if you really want it, or you can just go back and look at all the videos from the last winter on this channel. But talk to people, talk to EV owners, talk to people that actually construct and open these stations. But the EV community in Wisconsin is small-ish, but hopefully growing more and more each day, each year. You know, Kwik Charge has now opened 15 of these sites across the state, and it is a great opportunity to alleviate some of those charging issues, charging anxieties, range anxieties, if you have one that's on your route. And 15 places that didn't have charging 17 months ago now have capable, solid, fast charging around the state of Wisconsin. Marinette, Cameron, Hixton. You probably could find some in Eau Claire, but you weren't going to find any here in Mount Horeb that was worth a darn. So I think it's a great thing that they're doing, and that's why I wanted to be involved in the open house, and one of the reasons why I want to support their efforts as they build out across the state. I was just telling somebody here today, I've put almost 20,000 miles on my Equinox EV since I picked it up right across the street last May. So in 11 months, I've put a lot of miles around this state and around the Midwest. And if I was going to do that, I would need charging. If you've watched this channel, you've come along on the journey, and you know where I've been to and the places that I've charged at, because I've put the videos out. One of my favorite things about the IONNA 2-year celebration that we hosted up in Lake Delton was just talking to all the drivers. A lot of them viewers, some of them not, but it was really enjoyable to talk to them and experience the new IONNA station up there in Lake Delton with them. So I have still not charged at the Kwik Charge in Pewaukee. I've been there several times, both before it was open and since it's been open, but I haven't had my EV. Last week when I was there and recorded that video, I went to a Brewer game, and on the way back I said, hey, can we stop? I need to shoot a video real quick. But that was in a gas car. So still have not charged there, and I'm looking forward to plugging in for the first time next Sunday. I hope to see everybody next week in Pewaukee. Got any questions, drop a comment, and I will hopefully get back to you as soon as I can. So thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next charge.